Hello there, friends from YouTube. So, I want to show you, there are a lot of transformers and stuff. If you see something that I'm going to show you, if you see something that you need, email me. I'm going to be putting all this on my website. Not all at the same time, little by little. But if I'm going to show you almost everything right now. So if you see something that you need, let me know. Well, my email is going to be on the description. Today is May 6th, 2026. So if you're watching this in 2030, well, probably nothing of this exists anymore. And maybe I won't be around. I don't know. Maybe I will. So, this transformer, to start off, is from the year 91. It's an antique. All of these transformers I'm going to show you work. So I'm not going to test them to save time. They all work. I already did. Made in Hong Kong, Everbright Electric Signs. So this one is, I didn't tell you the voltage, 12,000 volts. This transformer can be used for like a Jacob's ladder or a neon sign. Next one. Oops. This one's very similar to this one. It's exactly the same one. This one's also 12,000. 1 second. You gotta switch glasses. Also, the switches, they all work and everything. I already tested everything. So this is also from 91. Next one. This one is really an antique. I can tell just by looking at it. The label here is barely readable. So, I don't know what the voltage is, but it's either made in 51 or 31. I don't know. But I can't tell the voltage, but it's probably by the size. It's probably a 3,000. And it probably hanged on a window because it's got these things here to hang them. Next one. This little one, 6,000 volts. These little transformers were used a lot in beer signs. This one is 6,000 volts. Actown 6,000 volts. Another Actown 6,000 volts. Yes, Actown, with a very long power cord. Next one. Oops. This is, let me see, Transformer. 5,000 volts, 30 milliamps. All of them are 30 milliamps. And this one is from 1990, just a few years ago. For me, it's just a few years ago. Next one is this one. $6,000. Oh, no. Hold on one second. Yes, 6,000. 30 milliamps. This was built in '97, and it's good. It's working. All of these that I'm showing you work. Next one, please. Thank you. You could see that this one. I don't know what the name was, but it comes with everything, and it's a 9,000. 30. This is a 20 milliamps transformer, and built in. Well, it doesn't say when it was built, but I think it's 1977. 77. Next one, please. Oh, another transformer. This one built in '88. 12,000. 12,000 volts, 30 milliamps. Now this one built in January of '76. It says here, right here, 76. I think '76 was a year. I'm not mistaken. And the label here says 7,500 volts. This is a transformer again, 6,030 milliamps, and it was made in 1988. As you can see, these transformers are they last a long time. I still have a ton of transformers to go through. Now here come the electronic ones. Ventex. 12,000. 30 milliamps. Well, this one is good, but it needs a switch. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. This is a 4.5, 4,500 volts. Little one, CPI 6,000. 35 milliamps. Next one. There's a 6,000. The brand is Lesip, and this one's It's kind of like an industrial type, not for beer science, but for outdoors. These two are same thing, so it's these are all the same. This little one is a 5.5 kVA 22 mA. Next one is this one's good. 4.5 kV. Next one. This is another Ventex outdoor type. 4,000 kV. Well, it's actually a 1 to 9,000 kV. So all these must be the same. 1 to 9,000. Yeah, here's another of the heavy ones. Transformer also. 7,500. Small electronic transformer, it's like 6,000, 35 milliamps. And this is the last one. A small transformer, also 6,000, 30 milliamps. So these are all the transformers. If you saw one that you are interested in, send me an email. These are just the transformers. I have more stuff. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, next. This wire is very flexible silicone. As you can see, it's white. And it's a 15,000 volt, rated at 15,000 volts. I can sell you the whole thing or in sections, but I'm gonna put it on my website, and I'm gonna put it there at like I do the other wire that I have, which is the black, which is not as flexible as this. I think it's $25 per 10 feet. Then we have a blinker. This is a flasher, mechanical. It'll probably last you about 100 years. I already tested it and it works. It's a one contact flasher. It just closes, opens and closes. This is another flasher that needs a little bit of oil. It gets kind of stuck when it's turning. I have to oil it really good. But this one it's also a one contact flasher. But it has this little thing that you can vary the intensity of how fast it flashes. 1971. And then I got a ton of rubber covers for the electrode and more. So that's it. Yeah, I'm not missing anything. If you see anything that you would like to buy, send me an email. So that's all for this video. I'm going to start another job in which it's a repair, not repair. I have to do new straight lines and one that's a little bit curved. For a guy that does installations. So that's the next job that I'm gonna take a video of, doing those long lines, 105 inches long. 105 inches long, this is how much 105 inches long is. You can't even see the end over there, but it's going to take me about from here almost to the other side of the table. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.